Hello everybody, welcome back to the new episode of Axner Design. In this episode we will be working with Adobe Photoshop, and in this episode I'll show you how to design an image manipulation with 7 different images. Okay, open your Photoshop and let's start. For this tutorial we will need 7 different images, such as a house, mailbox, man falling outside table, path to the table, witch, and woman laptop. Open a file, new, then put these dimensions like in video, and name your project however you wanted. Mine is called image manipulation. After that, press OK, and the next thing we want to do is open a new file. Open new file. Let me find it. With awesome image manipulation. Okay, we found it. Open the house. After that, press Ctrl J to copy that and go to the filters, camera raw filters. Then follow these instructions I do in camera raw filters. Okay, let's put some highlights, shadow, blacks, sharpening, little more shadow, darks, and think is that press OK, and you see now the difference between these two images. Okay, pull your picture to the main design, then go to the convert to smart object, because we don't want to lose their pixels, and I think that will be okay. For transform tool, press Ctrl plus T, and it will open it. Okay, close the house. The next thing, open and go to the man falling. Then quick. Okay, I will speed up this because it took some time to go fine, to do this fine, because we don't want to okay, press Ctrl J, and again press Ctrl T, and then rotate a little bit, make it smaller, and rotate it just to visually look that he's falling from the building. I think we found a good place. Yes, we find it. Okay, close the man falling picture, and then we will go open. I think the witch. Yes, we will open the witch. I already have the witch in PNG format, so find some witch on some pictures and cut off. Okay, let's find the good position for the witch. We need to rotate a little, maybe I think we will make this a little smaller. Yeah, that will be nice, I think. Yes, that will be nice. She's something like she's going to save him. Okay, close the witch, and then open again. Click on mailbox. This is mailbox doesn't take big part in this picture. It's just for visually some effects, because a lot of American house has a mailbox in front of their house. Okay, click on the right click on mouse, then go to the flip horizontal, because it's much better like this. Okay, click on layer again. Go to the crop and take some grass from here, then press Ctrl J to copy that, and put them on the front place, because we need to go in front of every other layer. Make it a little bigger, because we will use eraser tool to just from the to erase the from the sides, to make it very good for the image, for visually look. Okay, go to the follow this instruction like I do, and everything will be okay. I think yeah. So you see how it's look right now. Nice. Okay, we will see. I think close the mailbox, file open, and the next picture will be the outside table. Okay, I will fast up this because it took so long time to do this. You guys follow this and take a good crop of everything, because we don't want to see green grass in our image manipulation. It's not good. Yeah, see how it's going. This was really hard to crop. Not crop, to cut it off. Yeah, but that is the job of the graphic designer. We don't want to. You see how I miss some in refine edges. You can see what you miss, and that is really good. Okay, put some radius and shift edges to okay, I think that's nice, because this we will don't see this little parts of green grass in our table because it's too far, and we will make it a little smaller. Okay, we finish with the outside table. You can close them, and now file open a new. Then find the path to the table. Okay, we don't want to walk on the grass. We will make a nice path to just visually look your garden of house visually look much better with the path to the table. If it's not cultural to walk on green grass. Okay, we do that. Put that in the main template where we're working. Okay, rotate it a little, make it bigger so it can go to from path 1 to the table. Okay, press Ctrl T and then go to the perspective. We will make this perspective much better to look. It's just the path need to look just real in the image. Okay, we'll put go to the path and put the scroll in front of layer add-on, because this layer 7 or path the table need to be behind every other image. Go to the okay, let's do some wrap here, because we need to make this path really visually good for this image that is look like a real path. Okay, this wrap is going too long, but we need to make it good, of course. Then I think you see how it's look right now, just like the real path. Then I'll go to the eraser. I have some parts to delete. I don't know how they came up here, but we always have a tool to undo some things. Okay, do this to the mailbox. The path is going behind the mailbox. Another path, delete that. Close the path to the table, and we have, I think, one more image that the woman working on laptop. Okay, cut her off. Also, I will speed up this because it takes some time to cut very good. So we don't. Okay, redefine radius, shift edges, nice. That's that. Put her on the outside table, but we need to go to this layer and make it smaller a little. Then put him in front of every other layers. To see, you see now she's sitting on the table and working on the laptop, while her husband is working on the roof and he's falling down. But the woman working on laptop, and she don't care. But we also have the witch who came to rescue this man who is falling from his house. Okay, put the new layer. Go to the paint bucket. Okay, now you can see which colors I use. Okay, press cancel, go to the hue, and we got our image. You see now how it's looking. We got some visually crazy, we got some crazy cool effect here. Put the path to the table on the lighten. Yeah, layer 7 lighten, so it's look like much better. You see what is changed. And now I think we finished all. Okay, close the woman laptop picture in Photoshop, and think is that maybe we need to make it bigger, this woman, because she is so smaller than the other two human in this picture. Yeah, let's try with everything and with the table, because don't. Yeah, that's that, I think. Yeah, let's go. Sorry for that. Let's go make this woman working on laptop a little bigger. So if we see from her belly, it's a nice, it's a good dimension for her, because the other two guys, this have the same size of from belly to the top to the head. And yeah, that is that. Go to the file, save your file if you want to, go to the export, and guys, that will be that. See you in the next episode. I don't know what we'll be doing, but it will be very interesting. Click that like and subscribe, and see you in the next episode.